all of our birds here is that we never force them to do anything. It's always their choice if they want to interact with the guests.
I think we're okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh. You don't see Jesus toilet.
Oh, no.
Jesus! Jesus!
During the day. So they're very well fed.
So what do you feed them with?
We give them little pieces of chicken.
Oh,
So,
chicken.
Yeah.
I do, yeah. And anywhere when you go, girl, I go follow you too. If I'm you just do me somehow. Share not the thing I've been feeling for you, just to make me the go gaga do, my lady. If I'm a child, you just do man somehow. Share not the thing I've been feeling for you, just to make me want to day. Make I no lie for you. And I feel die for you, but I promise you, baby, get my love, I stay alive for you.